Here we have a 2023 Tesla Y, and we're going to customize it. We have these side mirrors we're going to install. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is clean it with alcohol around it, and then we're going to remove this double-sided tape, and that is going to be how easy it is to install. Let's get started. And now we're going to start warming these side mirrors up and take off this double-sided tape. Now we are going to slip it on and then push it down. And make sure you get the adhesive area to be pushed and pressed. And make sure you get it all pressed in so there's no gap. And here is the other side. Looks beautiful. It really adds such a nice customized look. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.